Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Canva has become an incredibly popular tool for creating visually appealing content, and that includes videos for TikTok. Its user-friendly interface, extensive template library, and drag and drop functionality make it accessible even for beginners. Here is how to use Canva to make engaging TikTok videos along with editing tricks and export tips. Let's get started. You'll need to log in to Canva. Just go to canva.com right here at your favorite browser. On the home page in here, you can search for TikTok video in the search bar. This is the best way to ensure that you get the correct vertical aspect ratio, that is 1080 by 1920 pixels or 9 is to 16. Alternatively, click create a design and choose TikTok video from the suggested options or enter custom dimensions. Now, let's get to the templates. This is your starting point. Canva offers a vast library of templates, which is a huge time saver for TikTok videos. Just browse the templates in here. Once you have opened a TikTok video project, go to the Design tab on the left-hand menu. You'll see numerous pre-designed templates. You can filter and even search for what you want. You can search by style, theme, industry, e.g. fashion, TikTok, and you have more options here. You can also search for specific keywords relevant to your content. For instance, quote video, product showcase. Just choose a template. Click on a template to apply it to your canvas. You can start with a single template and then add more pages right here at the bottom. As you can see, we have now some editing tricks which can make your video more unique. Once you have a template or a blank canvas, it's time to customize it and make it your own. You can upload your media. Go to uploads right here at the left and click on it. Now drag and drop your video clips, that is either photos also and audio files, directly into Canva here, or click upload files. Now let's also add and arrange any elements in here. For videos and photos, drag your uploaded media onto the canvas. You can set a video as background by right clicking it like this and then select set video as background. For text, you can go to the text tab right here. You can add any headings, subheadings, or body text. You can also have a text animation. You can select your text box, click animate in the top toolbar, and choose from various animation styles. For instance, we have typewriter here. You can also add effects like shadows, outlines, or glitches to your text. Elements is also key. Just explore this elements tab here at the left side. You can have graphics and stickers. This is animated stickers. You also have photos and videos where you can access Canva's extensive stock library if you need additional footage or images. You also have frames and grids where you can use these to create collages or place your videos or photos neatly within defined shape. Now you can also add audio. Just go to the audio tab right here. We have a Canva library where you can browse a wide selection of stock music and sound effects. You can also drag your own MP3 files, e.g., voiceovers, custom music into the Uploads tab and then onto your video timeline. We can also adjust now the volume and trim. Select the audio track on the timeline to adjust its volume or trim its duration. Now we also have some video editing specifics. For instance, the timeline. At the bottom of the editor, you will see a video timeline. Each page in your Canva design acts as a separate scene or clip on this timeline. Trimming and splitting, you can just select a video clip on your canvas. A small scissors icon will appear here, or you can use even the crop or trim options in the toolbar here. Drag the handles to trim the start and end of the clip. We also have transitions where you can just click the plus icon between the pages and on the timeline to add transitions, for instance, dissolve, slide, wipe, and many more of these. Just experiment. You can also experiment with the animations. Select any element, click animate in the top toolbar to make it enter, exit, or move on the screen. You can customize the direction, speed, and even timing. As I said, experiment. Also, pacing and timing is also key. TikTok videos are typically fast-paced. Keep your scenes short and snappy. Adjust the duration of each page on the timeline to control the timing. Synchronize your visual edits with a beat of your chosen music for a professional feel. Now, these are some of the export tips for TikTok. Review your video, check for pacing, timing, visual glitches, and audio levels. Just download it as MP4, click the share button right here in the top right corner. Now go ahead and click download. For file type, choose MP4. This is the standard format for TikTok. Resolution is also key. Canva will usually default to 1080p, which is ideal for TikTok. High resolutions like 4K are an option, but TikTok compresses videos anyway, so 1080p is usually sufficient. Now select the pages you want to download. If you only need a portion of your project, go ahead and click the download button and Canva will render and download your video. You can now go ahead and export it to TikTok and let your audience enjoy your content. By following these steps, you can harness Canva's intuitive features to create eye-catching and engaging TikTok videos that stand out and help you connect with your audience. Yeah, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.